Hey guys, today we're going to be growing some turmeric. This is super easy to do and super fun. Here you guys can see this is a piece of turmeric that I've left out for a little while and it has started to develop little green spots on it. Now these are the beginning of roots. This is what we want. If you plant a piece of turmeric without these on it, it may not grow, it may rot before it does, so that's really risky. If you want to prompt a piece of turmeric that hasn't sprouted to sprout, I recommend soaking it in water for 24 hours and then putting it back into a dark place for a couple weeks. That little boost of moisture might just be exactly what it needs. To grow your turmeric, it's super easy. All you do is you take this, you plant it 1 inch deep in any kind of soil. This plant is really not picky, and you keep it moist and warm. And in about 1 week at 75 Fahrenheit, you should have something that looks like this. And when this gets just a little bit bigger and when I see roots coming out of the bottom, I'm going to transplant this into a 14-inch pot. And I'm gonna leave it there for 10 months. And in 10 months, we're gonna have an awesome harvest of turmeric. This is such an easy process. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. This has been How to Grow Turmeric. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see ya.